So I have the car back together in one piece. This is my spares car. I wasn't happy with the amount of wire in the throttle shaft there. It was just a little bit loose for my liking, so I took the shaft out of my spares car. I knew that was a good shaft, and I swapped the one from there back in there. So this is complete again, for more spares or even to be used. So yeah, I took out all of the jets, cleaned them with my carb cleaner and blew them out of the air gun, and gave the float bowl a good clean in there with the Dremel and kind of a plastic brush on it there with some carb cleaner, and wiped everything out, blew everything out afterwards. Happy now that this is going to be functioning properly. Another thing, this little shaft wasn't on the back of it originally, and what that does is when you turn on the choke, it just gives a little bit of rev to the engine, just to help it if the throttle happens to be on tick over. So yeah, that's the latest. I have to order an ignition coil. It's going to go for a new distributor cap and leads, and I'll get another spare condenser. So I'll get them ordered tomorrow and I'll get them fitted. The other coil, this whole coil was working for a few minutes and then it gets hot and it starts earthing, so that's for the bin. So that's the latest. I'll come back when I have a little bit more of an update.